According to the Garuda Puran, these mistakes can cost you your life. Everyone commits mistakes in their life. However, do you know that according to Puranas, there are certain mistakes that can land you in deep trouble and send you directly to hell? Here are those mistakes according to the Garuda Purana. Poor company. Bad company can not only destroy you but also seriously jeopardize your relationship with those around you. If you find it difficult to leave such company, chant the Hanuman Chalisa every day. It will help you leave bad company. Fighting with parents. According to the Garuda Purana, children, especially sons, who fight with their parents will have a tough time when they grow old themselves. One must always respect their parents. Lying. The saying, honesty is the best policy, is not just for the hearsay. Excessive lying, especially that which hurts others, will land you directly in hell. Avoid doing so. Not serving others. Not serving others is the biggest sin you can commit on this earth. If God has given you money, it's not important to spend it all on yourself. Learn to give it to others. Losing hope. No matter what happens, never lose hope in life. Hope is what keeps us afloat in the darkest of storms. Mingling with talkative people. It's okay to be talkative, but it's not okay to be a blabbermouth. One should stay away from people who talk too much and most of it does not make any sense. Not thinking through. It is said that those people who don't think through before they speak will land themselves into trouble very soon. So the next time someone talks a lot and does not make sense, move away. Those who mistreat others. One should also stay away from people who do not think much about others. Those people who mistreat others is not a good person and that person will directly go to hell. This kind of man. Another person who you should stay away from is a man who has a relationship with many women. Such a man will never be faithful to one woman and because of this he will land directly in hell. Overspending. A man who overspends will never stay happy in life. One should always budget his expenses and avoid spending on things you don't need. This will help you not to overspend. Vices. A person who spends his money on vices such as smoking, drinking, excessive eating and shopping or turns away a beggar in need will directly go to hell. Be nice to neighbors. Finally, the Garuda Purana says that you have to be nice to your neighbors, friends and even colleagues. The nicer you are to people, the more niceness will come back to you in some way or the other. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.